Hello everyone! Today, the rapidly growing Chinese automotive sector is finding its place in the global market, not only with its affordable prices, but also with its ambitious designs and technologies. But the real question is, are these vehicles really safe? In our video today, we will discover together how Chinese car brands pass the tough crash tests, which models give surprising results, and what level they are in terms of safety.